In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends to find a potentially profitable niche. And then we'll go and we'll look and match up a product. So what you want to do is go to trends.google.com or google.com/trends. You'll get to this page. Now you'll see that today's hot trends are down here, and then you can click here to see more hot trends. Now the problem with this is that they are today's trends, so they're not going to be much use to you unless you're going to market to these today and you're going to set something up quick. And this can be a very profitable way to do it. But what we're going to look for are more long-term trends. So what you want to do is you want to go down here to Google Insights for search. Now in here you'll see we have some filters. First of all, we have all search terms. And we're going to leave that alone, but you could narrow that down if you want to. Over here we can filter this if we want to. We can say worldwide, or if we wanted to just do United States or Canada or whatever it is, you can pick it out of here. Let's leave it at worldwide. Then what we want to do is pick the time period. Well, let's say we want to look for the last 30 days. This will give you an idea of what's rising in the last 30 days. You don't want to take too long of a trend nor too short of a trend. So either 7 days or 30 days. Let's go with 30 days. Here you can pick a category, and you can leave the category out if you want, but if you want to narrow it down to something that you decide you want to market, this is the place to do it. So let's just go with health. Okay, now at this point all we have to do is click search. Now if we look down here, we have a graph that's showing us the interest over time. You can see that it's going up and down. And then down here we have the actual top searches. So we have cancer, doctor, heart, etc. Okay, and then we have the rising searches on this side. And then if you click on the top search here, cancer, in this case, it breaks it down by country. And then down here, which is probably more useful, is it breaks it down by the top searches within cancer, in this case. So breast cancer symptoms, etc. And then over on this side we have rising searches. So now you have the information you need to go and find a product. Now down here you see we have cancer treatment is one of the ones that is fairly high. And what we could do now is go match a product to it. Now you can go to any affiliate program like ClickBank or CJ or whatever you want and look for something on cancer diets or cancer treatment. As an example, we'll just go to ClickBank, and in the keywords we'll put cancer and we'll see what comes up. Okay, and then we have natural cancer treatments. We have several things here. So what you would do at this point is go and view the pitch page and do your regular research. Make sure that it is a well laid out page and that it does a good job of selling the product. Okay, and then once you've done that, all you have to do is go and get your hop link and then do your promotion in the usual ways, pay-per-click or whatever you want to use. So that's how you use Google Trends to spot a potentially profitable niche.